Okay, so we have a chemistry question that says name the catalyst used in Haber process, catalytic converter, cracking of hydrocarbons. Okay, you need to understand that when you talk about a catalyst is a substance which speeds up the chemical reaction without itself being permanently changed. In simple terms, this simply means a catalyst undergoes physical change without chemical change. In short, a catalyst is a substance which lowers the activation energy so that there is more collision. More collision simply means products are formed at a faster rate. But here the question is saying name the catalyst used in Haber process. Haber process, it is an industrial process which helps in the production of ammonia. Ammonia is a gas. The catalyst which is used, it is known as what? Iron. So the answer here, it is iron. Number 2, catalytic converter. When we talk about catalytic converter, we are talking about the exhaust emission control device. It is this device which controls toxic gas. Now, which gases am I talking about here? I'm talking about the nitrogen oxides and the other forms of hydrocarbons. This simply means that the nitrogen oxides which are within the engine or the exhaust control device, these oxides, they are being converted into oxygen and nitrogen. That is under reduction. And the other one is known as oxidation process within the device. That process involves the changing of carbon monoxide and hydroxide into carbon dioxide and water vapor there. Okay, and the catalyst which is mostly used, it is known as the platinum. So platinum is the answer. Now, here we're talking about the cracking of hydrocarbons. When we talk about the hydrocarbon, it's just a chemical substance which is made up of which is made up of hydrogen and carbon. When we talk about the cracking, it is a breaking of these substances into smaller, simple substances. Okay. Now, you must understand that the cracking undergoes into two types. There is a thermal cracking and the catalytic cracking. Catalytic cracking involves the use of a catalyst. The catalyst which is mostly used during the breaking of this, it is the aluminium oxide. For example, the way the alkynes are being broken down into alkene. So the answer here, it is aluminium oxide.